ka Jilla Meghalaya menta ka singi ka Shipho tarik unaywing R1000 arpuwe kalayo ka district ka Bakhadar ka Jongka ka Eastern West Khasi Hills district da ka jingpli hakarukam ka ba ipo iping daw menteri rangba ka Jilla Konrad Konggal Sangma harangkat ulampang ka ying dorbar uba medba lingdo Kajingpli ya ka Eastern West Khasi Hills District la sakhilang da ki MLA ki MDC ki officer sarkar u DGP ki nong sanshar ya ka hima bar harangkat da ki phau hajar ngut ki nong songsnong jong kate ka thain ha kate ka district thamai kabala ya khlat menta ka sngi na ka West Khasi Hills District ka dei kabala tip kerteng da ka Eastern West Khasi Hills District kaban kanthop ya ki artli ki constituency kata ka Mairang constituency bat ka Mauthat Rashain constituency UPD Sangma MCS in charge Deputy Commissioner West Khasi Hills Nongstoin ulayethu bahakane ka district ka Bathmai ka Eastern West Khasi Hills District ka Jingbun Briu ka Long Shilak South Po San Hajar South Pangut bat ka geographical areas lane ka Jinghe bar ka Jingyar ka Jongka Kalong Shilak Shispa Laipo square kilometer Nakaliang UMLA ka Mairang constituency ubalongru ulampang ka ying dorbar thawan ka Jilla habakran hakane ka sngi ulaay khublay kerpang UMLA ka Mauthat Rashain ubalaya tre shitomlang banyo yakate ka district Menta ka sngi ka Shipho tarik unaywing kalong ka sngi ka bansa jingkan mau ha ka ba South San Snem Menshwa lasdang ya ka Mairang Civil Subdivision ha ka Shipho tarik upanay bakhatway usnem khat khandai spa nyopon rio bat menta ka sngi ladap South San Snem thek bat ka lalong ru ka sngi kha ya ka Eastern West Khasi Hills District Uloong baka jingkwa ban kentiu kerdano ya ka Mairang Civil Subdivision Shaka District kalong namar ban nadu usnem khatkhandai spa nyopun riu ter baro South Santli kisnem ki baladon ka jingkran ka jingperta ka jingalang na ki MLA ki dorbar snong ki sangbhalang ki riu shimet ki baladawa ban kentiu kerdano ya ka Mairang Civil Subdivision Shaka District Ulo ongru baka jingkentiu ya ka Mairang Civil Subdivision Shaka District kalong namar ban khampanjan ya ka Sanshar Khadar Shau Paitba bat namar ka West Khasi Hills kalalong ka district ka bahe bha kabala kanthop iki Santli ki constituency Ulo ongru baka kamram jong ka sarkar kalong ban pej ya ka ka jingdon kam jong upaitba om ban pej ya ka jingkwa jong upaitba namar baka jingkwa kam jukut handre ka sarkar ka hapan pej ya ka jingdon kam jong upaitba Halor ka jingyatai ki babun halor ka Kerteng Eastern West Khasi Hills District uloong banakaliang jong kemen banyu ka jingyatai haki social media syapang ka Kerteng jong kane ka district Henry haba ka kunhun menteri kala shim ya karai banjer Kerteng da ka Eastern West Khasi Hills District kane karai kamlong ka babakla Ula benrap susu baka jingjer Kerteng Eastern West Khasi Hills District kabamut ka mingi jong ka sepngi namar bangimi na ka mingi jong ka West Khasi Hills District
Kasun meneng ka baitiang edaka ka bai chongkun ba ka baitnat edin tenkhre ki baitnat Pai ba bai baro be chong ne ki bai itnat jingarang ka bai itnat ba ka district mai ka bai itnat ka East West Khasi Hills ayo yo blay balong nu punya ye ki di baro kalong desni ka bansa jingkima Bagaladeiro kasni kabasa aja mau teng, South Pusan Snem Menjua, lasdang ya Mairang Civil Subdivision, Hakashi Bodere, Unombar, Hakidna Ispa Nyopun Rio. Bat mentah kasni kadap South Pusan Snem Tek, ya karenyeng kekarta. Jom kani ka Mairang Civil Subdivision. Kabari kasni ha jom ka Mairang Civil Subdivision Bakari Pat Kasnika, Jonka East and West Khasi Hills District. Nako ang ito ipiyangin. Kinyat hakabede. But kating kwa ban pinkintiw kundano. Ya kamairang civil solution siya ka district level. Nado kakanda ispa inyo kunriyo. Terper jan baro isaw kusan kali Islam. Ladon kejing perta. Ladon kejing ekren. Ladon kimiting. Ladon kijihan. Ladon kijing yebenpaw. Haki bopon kiriang. Kumneo ban kintiyo kundano. Ya kamairan civil solution Shaka district level.
Ladon kejing ekren. Chapaka kateng Jonka East and West Khasi District. Kamu ayu gari kateng. The cabinet meeting. The cabinet decision. Kalai Jonka cabinet kalau final. But barobo juga begitu bakalan. Ngai sebuah menong. East and West Khasi kamu kade kami ini Jonka sabi. Kata kade district Batumai. Nama bangimi naga West Khasi. Gasokmen bagion. Kia perlu por berkaitan dengan istiyo. Ban dibit, ban beli yang itu so hidupi. Gasokmen nama kini kapan pau, ban beli bagi don lem petikit dre, hakabede bagi coba bagi don hakabede district Batumai.
Friends, let me assure you, this government is a government that has always carried everybody along. We are an inclusive government. We go with broad consensus. We are not a bulldozing government. We believe that we have a diverse society. We believe we have a diverse political spectrum. We believe it is important to carry everybody along when we make a decision or when we work towards development. That has been also one of the guiding principles for our government. In the beginning, when we had formed this government, I clearly remember telling our NDA colleagues that this is not by chance that we are here today. It's not by fluke that we are forming this government today. Almighty God has planned this a long time back for us. And it is He who is giving us this opportunity and chance to make a difference in the people, in the lives of our people. Let us not waste this time. Let us not fight with each other. But let us take this opportunity as brothers and sisters to ensure that we work together unitedly to take our state forward, to use this opportunity every single day. And there will be tough times. There will be situations where we may not be able to find a way forward. But we must believe that Almighty God will always guide us and protect us